Here is part number 705-68201. This is your Alliance stack dryer roller, which is right here. They just redid this one about a year or two ago, and added this washer right here with some instructions. This is the original packaging it comes in, and this is the OEM. This will fit these stack dryers for QueenHuebsch, Unimac, Ipso. This has changed colors in the past. It used to be black and then red, and as of lately it's now orange with this washer. Here's original packaging. Here's the washer here.